What's going on, guys? This is Williams, and in today's video we're going to talk about Kling AI. Kling AI is an AI generator that helps with text to video generation, image to video, and it even has a video extension, and that's surprising. Kling AI was built by this company called Kuashu. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's a Chinese company, and the website itself by default is in Mandarin. And if I just try refreshing the page, yeah, it's actually a Chinese website, the Chinese simplified. So because I'm using Google Chrome, it automatically translates the page. As a non-Chinese person or someone who doesn't reside in China, I don't really have access to this, because when you try to just get even the demo version by clicking on try now, yes, you can see the Chinese text all over before it translates it to English. When you try to access it, it's going to require you to first of all log in before you could do all these generations, and logging in requires you to have a Chinese phone number, or you can scan a code, which I couldn't find a way around this because it needs some other steps that, I don't know, this is too stressful for people who aren't like within China, because it's so obvious that they just want to give people from China access at the moment, and that's why you don't have any option to like change the country code for the phone number. But just like other AI tools, people usually check out tools that are trending, and they try to create domain names and replica of tools around it. As you can see, these are all claiming to be Kling AI, but that's not it. They're just trying to leverage on the current traffic, which isn't long term, because the moment Kling AI decides to publish a version that's accessible worldwide, then all these tools won't be of use anymore. The closest how far I have seen from these tools that resembles Kling AI's UI, which is this from klingai.com. However, it's not something that we can just automatically assume that it's the same, but we're still going to just try running some prompts through this to see the result. But I'm still not fully confident that this is what Kling AI might look like. I just feel this is the closest we've seen from the replicas based on the UI. It's just like using Devin AI. I mean, Devin AI isn't out, but if you try Googling Devin AI, you're going to see some other domains created around that. So here's what we're going to do. We're just going to use the video generator and use any of the video prompts from the actual Kling AI, a giant panda playing guitar by the lake. So we're just going to try this feature on AI videos. Oh, okay, it needs us to sign up. So I'm just going to sign up real quick. So a giant panda playing guitar by the lake. So let's try that. A giant panda playing guitar by the lake. Oh, okay. So to generate, we would spend 10 credits. So let's just see if we could optimize it. Yeah. So this is landscape. You can also select the length. How about 10 seconds? All right. So 10 seconds isn't supported for standard mode. Then camera movement, let's just go ahead and choose any. Wait a sec, I mean, the camera movement would even show you a preview of what to expect. This is nice. All right, so let's just use a pan movement. These are all optional features, but let's see what this comes up with. And while it's generating, let's go ahead and look for another prompt that is a bit more specific, that has probably colors indicated. All right, so I found this from Kling's original prompts, and this looks a bit detailed because it highlights the woman's dress, the color itself. It highlights some other specific features. So I'm just going to copy this and see if we can use this other replica of Kling AI to generate it. But I don't know if this supports simultaneous generation. Let me just try going into AI videos or back to dashboard and AI videos. So I'm just going to paste this, and this doesn't really specify any camera movement. Okay, camera control is none. So we're just going to leave camera movement just as it is and generate also. So as you can see, the generation isn't as fast as you would probably expect, because this was the first one. So I'm just going to be back when the first and the second are done. All right, so our videos are done, and I must say I like this output. I really do, because this could be the start of something new. The motion itself, when it comes to the way this panda was playing the guitar in the original Kling AI, compared to this, I mean, look at the action here. This panda here seems to be enjoying the music itself, and it's sadly just 5 seconds of this enjoyment. And observe the background as well. The prompt was really short. It was just straight to the point, and I didn't really have to mention the how the background would look if there are mountains or if there's these other details, but it tends to have this output coming out similar. For the second one, just look at the output. It's actually also very nice, although the lady isn't working here same as this, but just look at it. I mean, the output isn't so bad. And one thing I need you to understand is that this is not Kling AI. This is just a replica, and you could also see from the disclaimer they have here, saying the generated contents do not represent the views, positions, or attitudes of Kling AI. Please use them responsibly and kindly. So anyone that tells you that this is like an English version of Kling AI is now accessible worldwide, they're just trying to drag you in to probably watch their content or read their articles. But this is, so far, the closest I've seen among the replicas of Kling AI. When you also go through some of these, they tell you that, hey, there's a new AI tool called Kling AI. You could see them running ads on their websites, and it's not something that they are coming out to say it's Kling AI, because if you click on this video generator, for instance, it's gonna take you to Dream Machine, and it has, I won't even click it because it has someone's reference code there, which means it's more like someone trying to just do some affiliate marketing, and it's not good to deceive people that way. When you come to another one, when you click on the video generator, it takes you to Deep Nostalgia AI, which is entirely different from Kling, but using Kling to get the traffic is like, well, a good strategy, but a strategy that deceives people. When you come to this and you click on start, it's going to take you to the link to the original Kling AI platform. So this is the one that has like some truth in it, telling you that this is what Kling can do, and there's no lie about it. So I don't know, you could check this tool out if this is since this is the closest I've seen to Kling, and see if you get an output that matches any of this. And I'm using these for it so that we can see at least how it may look when you use Kling, the original Kling AI, to generate those things. So there are so many demos here by people from China or people living within China or have access to Kling AI itself. But then just let me know what you think if you try this yourself. that's been it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.